Hello guys, just want to show you this 2024 McLaren 750S. This car came in. It's an old customer of ours. He's been coming in for a couple years now. We first wrapped his G-Wagon, wrapped a couple cars for his wife, his daughter, and now he just got this vehicle in. And first thing he said is, hey Louis, I want to get it all paint protected. It has no protection on it. So what we did, instead of going with the traditional gloss PPF, we did a Stealth paint protection film on the whole vehicle. As you can tell, this is like a supercar. It's got a lot of shapes, crazy contours, crazy channels. Look at this door right here, how it goes all the way through. It's got vents here to keep the engine cool. The doors over here also have some fins. Bumpers are crazy. We'll show you the whole car right now. It took us a week and a half to complete this car. Not only was all the vehicle, all the paint protected with Expel Stealth, everything you see on this vehicle, and when I say everything, headlights, all the carbon fiber is all protected with clear paint protection film. Up here, this is the original color, and we did a same thing, a paint protection film on this. This is Expel. The whole vehicle is Expel, and it's a 8mm self-healing paint protection film. Now, I'm surprised that whoever bought this car originally, this is going to be a second owner, surprised they didn't put any paint protection film. This car is north of $380,000. Used is still around that price. To not spend a couple thousand, to get this car protected, I just think it's crazy. So now it's going to be fully protected. You can drive it on the road. It's crazy that whoever owned it before didn't protect it. They could even at least done the front end. It had a couple rock chips on the front. They weren't really big. So we just went ahead and protected the rest of the vehicle. The primer underneath was black. On the other side, the customer did have a couple little nicks, so he's gonna get it repainted. As soon as that's done, he's gonna bring it back to us so we can finish it off. Back here, the bumper, all the plastics on the back, everything's protected. Diffuser's protected. I mean, this is a beautiful car. Another thing we did, we took off the emblems on this car. We talk about how some vehicles, we don't take them off. This one we had to. There's no way we're gonna do that. Those little letters and cut around them. It just was not gonna happen. Customer was okay with it. On the side over here, he actually brought us new emblems because the original ones were chrome. These are black, so those we made a template of them, put them back on, and right exactly where they were at. Mirrors are protected. Now here's another thing too that sometimes people drop the ball on. This front windshield has got a protective film on it as well. These windshields are probably $3,000 to $10,000 to replace, and not spending a small amount to protect that. I mean, you get an iPhone that costs $1,300 and you go spend a protector for the windshield, but yet you got a car like this and you don't do it. That's crazy, right? So he called us. He's like, hey, you know what? Do you guys offer any windshield protection? And we did. We have an Expel windshield protection, and that goes on the outside of the vehicle. Yeah guys, if you guys got any questions, this is probably one of the hardest cars the guys have done. I didn't do it physically, the guys were doing it, but I was there, walking with them along the whole path, making sure everything was done right. Something that we didn't like, we went ahead and redid it, but everything came out good. So if you guys got any questions, want to reach out, give us a call at OC Wraps. Thank you.